guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you guys want to see how I got this little makeup look, then go on and keep watching. So the first thing that I'm going to start off with is going to be this little clean and clear because I need to clean my face from work. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that for you. And I also want to go ahead and prep my lips with this mint juleps. I got this from Japan. Alrighty, so the first thing that I'm going to start off with is going to be my eyeballs. And now I don't have anything like laid in front of me, so I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. Hopefully it works. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and I'm just going to take it in Light Neutral 15, and I'm just going to go ahead and have my loose setting powder right next to it, just so I can go ahead and quickly set it for the eyeshadow. Alrighty, you guys, so now, oh my god. Alrighty, so first I'm going to go in with the 35B, and I'm just going to go ahead and take this orangish kind of color, and that's going to be my transition shade. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to take an M433 and I'm going to take this little cream color, and I'm just going to go ahead and dust it right along the edges just to make sure that they're blended a little bit better. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this little coral shade and I'm going to go ahead and put that in the crease to kind of deepen it up. And for my eyeball, I'm just trying to focus it around right here on the outer edge, along my crease, and right here, so I can go ahead and make a spotlight little cut crease moment. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with this little raspberry shade right here, and that's going to go ahead and go in the crease, actually, like to deepen it up a little bit more. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take back that first shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and run it along the edge of like where the transition should be, just to blend out the edges and to kind of make it less pink. So I'm going to go ahead and take New Digs from the Sol Palette, and then it's kind of like the same thing as the first shade that we set down, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the same spot that we just applied the first transition-y shade. Alrighty, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a spotlight eye, and I'm going to go ahead and take this middle shade with my finger, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it on. I'm going to go ahead and take Lady Bird. I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit, same finger, and I'm just going to go ahead and dab it in that center. I'm going to go ahead and take that raspberry color again and just dust off the tiniest amount. We'll go ahead and go above the crease. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that first shade that we applied, and I'm going to go ahead and dust off that and just blend it a little bit out as well. Alrighty you guys, so this is going to be one eye that is done. And so I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off the excess that's underneath. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off that, and then we'll go ahead and be with the next step. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off of camera to save some footage and time, and then I'll go ahead and be right back with the next step. Alright, you guys, so the next thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and take the Colourpop Rose Quartz, and then this one is going to be the priming spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and douse my face to prime it. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my Olay lotion, and I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. It's been super dry out here in LA, so I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. So normally what I try to do is that I like put moisturizer like right here, and then I go ahead in the T-zone and do like a Benefit Professional. Alrighty, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my foundation, which is going to be the Colourpop No Filter Foundation, and it's gonna be in the color Light 45. I don't know if that showed right, but in Light 45. Go ahead and take it on the back. I do 4 pumps. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my little stippling brush from them, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick some up. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take my sponge and just blend it all the way out fully. Alrighty, so the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and grab the No Filter Concealer from Colourpop again, but this time we're going to take the light neutral shade in 15. I don't know if I've already used that one. I don't think I have. But I'm going to go ahead and apply it right here. I'm going to hold off on putting it on the rest of my face, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab the Colourpop Loose Setting Powder, and I'm going to have that ready for when I blend this out. I'm going to go ahead and blend it out and then put setting powder. I'm going to go ahead and take my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and just dust off the bake that's underneath my eyelashes. My face looks rough. Today's just an okay makeup day. So the next thing I have is going to be contouring. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my e.l.f. like powder. I got it around Christmas time. But I'm going to take the contour color, and I'm going to go ahead and contour. I'm going to go ahead and go back into that contour shade, but I'm just going to go ahead and take a little fan brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. Now it's time to highlight, and now I'm just going to go ahead and take the Colourpop Loose like pigments for the highlighters, and then I'm going to go ahead and take Strobe Globe, and I'm just going to literally go on the lid, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight. So now I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and apply some mascara and apply falsies, and then I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and take the eyeliner pencil from Colourpop. This one's going to be in Honeydude though, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my bottom lash line. This eye is literally the worst. And this eye I'm like, oh yeah, totally. This eye I'm like, I think I'm going to take Tiptoe, which is a nude, but I'm going to add a gloss on top. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my Revlon lip gloss, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the top. Alrighty, you guys, so this is going to be the final look for you guys. I made this, you know, with all new products practically. But yeah, it's a little more pink than I wanted it, but you know, I can look past that. But yeah, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, you have to join the little party that you guys watched, you know. But yeah, if anything else, go ahead and go onto my Instagram and go ahead and follow me there. It's going to be around this little area. Yeah. go ahead and follow. I post practically every day, so yeah, go ahead and follow me there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, stay amazing. Whew.